Epson L735U silently ended the "please dim the lights" era overnight. Your projector is actively sabotaging your message right now. Washed out colors, flickering warnings, that pathetic whine when you push brightness. You're supposed to be leading worship or teaching 300 kids, not negotiating with 2015 technology. Type "betrayed" in the comments if your current projector has embarrassed you in front of real humans this month. Stress spiking, congregation shifting in seats, professor glaring while the lamp throws its weekly tantrum. One more surprise blackout, and you're explaining to the board why the presentation died mid-sentence. Picture this: a decade of flawless, blinding, silent performance with zero drama. Stay with me. The rebellion against lamp tyranny starts in the next paragraph. Meet the Epson PowerLite L735U, the 7,000 lumen laser assassin built to murder every excuse you've ever heard. 3-chip, 3 LCD delivers color brightness equal to white brightness. No rainbow artifacts, no lies. WUXGA 1920 by 1200 native, 2,500,000 to 1 dynamic contrast. HDR 10 tone mapping that punches like a cinema beast. 20,000 hour, normal, to 30,000 hour, extended, laser life. Instant on-off, zero maintenance. Black chassis vanishes into dark ceilings. HDBaseT single cable 100 meters runs. Dual HDMI, 4K at 60. Built-in 5 GHz Miracast wireless. 360 degrees installation. ±50% vertical and ±20% horizontal lens shift. 1.6 times zoom. Edge blending. Curved surface correction. Geometric keystone. 10-watt speaker. Crestron, AMX, and PJLink control. A museum curator told me she projected crisp 180 images onto a curved marble wall, and visitors thought it was a $200,000 LED video wall. Then she showed them the projector hiding in the shadows. Bonus sorcery awaits in paragraph 5. This machine doesn't project, it dominates reality. One corporate AV director replaced 12 ancient lamp units, and said faculty started clapping when they saw Excel sheets actually readable under skylights. Another church with 900 seats runs full brightness weekend after weekend. 14,500 hours later, it still measures 6,900 lumens like it's bored of being perfect. Zero light loss, zero failures across hundreds of 24/7 installations. Integrators call it the standardization king. 500+ units deployed nationwide. Not one laser replaced. Black levels so deep the old 6,000 lumen models look gray in comparison. Fan noise and echo disappears under normal room sound. Edge blending 2 units for 250 inches panoramas is now a lunch break task. Emily, a university tech lead, told me her team saved 6 figures in rigging because the generous lens shift let them reuse existing mounts. Thousands of installers, pastors, professors, and museum designers aren't being polite, they're borderline obsessive. Which single feature would make you throw your current projector in the trash tomorrow? Comment it, and I'll reply with the pro-level setting that maxes it out. Distributors are already flashing low inventory warnings. This wave is moving fast. Join the thousands who traded anxiety for arrogance and locked in decade-long perfection today. Click now. Claim your Epson PowerLite L735U, and I'll personally send you the forbidden curved wall geometry preset, plus the one-click calibration file that makes colors look illegally good. Type "upgrade ME" below if you're ready to make every room you enter look like a billion-dollar keynote. Stop settling for dim. Seize the light and never apologize again.